Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So we know that tan x is about sine x over cosine x. Cosine x squared simplified by cosine x, you will have about sine x cosine x. This one multiplied by a and b tan x squared. We know that tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x to the power of 2. So cosine x squared simplified by cosine x squared, we will have about sine x squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to negative 2a sine x cosine x plus 2b sine x cosine x, and we have the x in here. Next, sine x cosine x, we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by negative 2a plus 2b. So we have about du over negative 2a plus 2b equals to sine x cosine x dx. So this one in here, we change for u. Sine x cosine x dx, we change for du over negative 2a plus 2b. Next, about this integration, we have about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.